Hi, I'm Mitchell, and this is my YouTube channel. I'm here to learn how to sail, and this will be my first video. My dad and I have never been sailing before. We are going to learn how to sail. We've watched so many sailing videos which has inspired us to go sailing. Come on this journey with me as I learn to become a great sailor and see the world. But first, this is my dad. His name is David. I am 11. This is my brother Finn. He's younger than me. He's the youngest. He is 9. My other brother is named Drew. He is 13 and he's a ranger as well as me. And he smells like rotten eggs. I also have one more brother, and his name is Max. He isn't a ranger, and he's the oldest. He is aged almost 15. What? I have a mum, and her name is Emily. She's not so keen on sailing, but she still wants us to go sailing.
Hey guys, I'm David and I'm Mitchell's dad. We are going on this journey and I hope you guys can join us because this is a dream that we would like to do. None of us have been sailing before. We hope that through this journey we'll come to love sailing and eventually buy a boat and go see the world.
It's been heaps of fun making these videos. Make sure to wait until the end to see the outtakes. We live in Australia in the most northern capital city of Darwin. Today we will be going to Lake Alexander for a free come and try sailing with the Darwin Sailboat Club. Well, we're here and it's gonna be, I'm pretty excited. Today was just a try sailing day, so we didn't get to do the sailing ourselves. But my brothers and I really enjoyed it. I liked it so much that I had to go again. In Darwin, we are in the tropics and it is hot and humid here. Because we are in the tropics, we don't have a summer, autumn, winter or spring. We have a dry season and a wet season. In the wet season, it rains and storms a lot. But the dry season is when we get 6 months of clear skies and a bit cooler temperatures. Anyway, it is the beginning of the dry season now, and so while we were out on the water, Dad found out everything we need to know about learning to sail. He booked all 4 of us into the junior and youth learn to sail programs. He also booked himself into the adult sailing course. Hey, thanks for watching my first YouTube video on our new channel called Young Seafarers. This will help my brothers and I to sail and explore the world. Oh, and I haven't forgot about the bloopers, so stick around till the end.
Hey! Oh my gosh. What have you done? That was a bit hard. Oh gosh. What was that for? Okay. Go. Hard. Okay.
I keep saying what the hell?
I hope you found them funny. We start to learn to sail in a couple of weeks. I hope you see you then.